Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook bagel bites in an air fryer. First, gather your frozen bagel bites and ensure your air fryer is ready. Preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Once preheated, carefully arrange the bagel bites in a single layer within the air fryer basket. This ensures even cooking and a perfectly crispy result. Avoid stacking them to achieve that ideal texture. Now that your bagel bites are in the air fryer, it's time to cook them to perfection. Set your timer for 5 to 7 minutes. For the best results, remember to shake the air fryer basket gently about halfway through the cooking process. This helps to ensure that every single bagel bite gets evenly exposed to the hot air, leading to a consistent golden brown crust and wonderfully melted cheese. To achieve the absolute best results, a few tips can make all the difference. Firstly, never overcrowd your air fryer basket. Give those bagel bites some space. If you prefer an extra crispy texture, feel free to add an additional 1 or 2 minutes to the cooking time. Once they are done, it's crucial to let them cool for just 1 to 2 minutes before you take that first delicious bite. And there you have it. Your perfectly air-fried bagel bites are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps some marinara or ranch. Just be careful, as the melted cheese and sauce will be quite hot. This quick and easy snack is ideal for any time of day, offering a satisfying crunch and cheesy goodness in just minutes. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.